Hi fellas, this is Schematics again to the solution. So previously I have forget to discuss the terms what is meant by non-degradable polymers and what is meant by incineration. Sorry fellas, I have completely forget about these things, these important things. So now we are going to discuss these things. Okay. So fellas, if you still missed the previous episode, if you have missed the previous episode, don't worry. I will put the link. I will put the link to that episode at the end of this video tutorial. So stay chilled. Okay. So in here, non-biodegradable means polymers which do not biologically decompose are called non-biodegradable. Okay. So in so now let us know what is meant by incineration. So let us know what is meant by incineration. So incineration means simply means burning or combustion. So burning so burning simply burning something or combustion means incineration. Okay. So if we burn polymers or anything, if we burn polymers like polypropylene, then it is called incineration of polypropylene. Okay. Now we have came to know about these terms. Now let us once again discuss this answer. So state a problem associated with the disposal of waste polypropylene. Okay. So at first it is non-biodegradable. So doesn't so therefore it doesn't biologically decompose and results in water blockage. Okay. And the second thing is incineration and the second thing is incineration of polypropylene produces incineration of polypropylene produces greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. Okay. So incineration of polypropylene results greenhouse gas carbon dioxide, which causes global warming. Okay. So these are the main two things for this problem. So fellas, that's it. So if you have missed the previous part, don't worry. I will I'll put the link somewhere here. Okay, in here. Please click here to watch the previous lesson. So until now, stay awesome, stay cool. Best of luck for your exam, and as always, peace with chemistry.